Hello, welcome. I'll be presenting on evaluating and presenting the survival analysis results. Our objective is to evaluate performance of developers in terms of time to complete tasks and success using survival analysis. We'll also explore the ethical consideration in survival analysis. Business context, performance measurement and predictions are key in any business undertaking. The key question in this presentation is there a significant difference in performance between two groups of developers in terms of time to complete tasks until correct completion? Methodology: we developers milestone dataset with 26 rows and 28 columns was used to compare developers' performance over time. To establish any difference using Kaplan-Meier, log-rank, and Cox ratios analysis. Key findings: Kaplan-Meier shows that there is a difference between the two developers, and as you can see, the control curve is lower than the treatment curve is lower than the control curve, indicating that there is low chances of not being completed correctly in the treatment group. Hence, developers in the treatment groups performed better. As we continue with our findings, we had early noted that there is a difference between the two developers, and the same was subjected to further analysis using log-rank and Cox to see if the difference early noted was due to random chance. And from the result, which is shown in the table, it's showing that the difference is due to random chance and not due to any effect of a developer being in the control or treatment group. This can be shown by, if you see there is a column here, P. For this our case, if this P value is greater than 0.05, then actually that one shows that the result is just due to random chance. Hence, there is the difference between the developers in control and treatment is just due to random chance. On recommendation, as we have seen, based on Kaplan-Meier, one might recommend the treatment group since they show better performance. However, the two further tests shows that just the differences were due to random chance, and hence we will recommend further tests with better quality better quality data and adequate sample size to be able to undertake a better data-driven decisions. Under the ethical consideration, we considered three aspects: fairness, transparency, and impact. Under fairness, we noted that the data used in this case was not representative enough, hence need of preventing discrimination against any other group while using the same. We also noted that on the transparency side, initially we noted there existed a difference, and one might attempt to interpret the result based on this pre-existing difference, and therefore this calls for transparency and honesty in the interpretation. On the impact side, we noted that relying on these datasets to make a decision would likely to discriminate and result into unfair advantage, and therefore the call for further test using equality data to be able to make any data-based decision based on the data. And our reference is as shown on the screen. Thank you.